everyone, welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a really simple recipe. This one's great for the kids. There's no baking or equipment needed for this one. So I'm going to be making a healthy raw vegan chocolate bark. So the ingredients I'm going to be using today are the Happy Way vegan chocolate protein powder and Happy Way cacao powder. I've got a combination of nuts here. I'm using almonds, hazelnuts and pepitas, and some flaked coconut, almond butter and maple syrup to sweeten. And the main ingredient I'm using is the melted coconut oil, which is going to hold it all together. So to get started, I'm just going to simply add the melted coconut oil into a bowl, whisk it together with the protein powder and cacao powder, maple syrup and almond butter. Mix it all until it's nice and smooth. Fold in half of the nuts, seeds and coconut. Then I'm going to pour it into a silicone baking tray and then finish off by using the rest of the nuts and seeds and coconut and sprinkle that on top. Place it into the freezer to set for about 10 minutes and then they're ready to eat.